Alright, so ideally we want to take this center console out. So we don't know how to remove this yet, so we will figure it out. Alright, got that off.
Ooh.
Those are just always held on by clips around the edge.
Yeah, there's just 4 clips on here on each side. Yep.
Right.
Guess you just lift up a couple more of these clips. And then the foam comes out. There's a couple screws here holding this down, and then 2 Torx bits over here.
Okay.
Forward.
Alright, we start taking some hardware off. So there's 2 T20s up here and then 2 10mm down there on these brackets. Yeah, once we start lifting this up, those metal brackets will come out. You got a little wiring harness here to disconnect. Press in.
Yeah, so you'll be able to just press the sides on this 10mm.
And then I think there's a secret access panel over here. It has something in it, right?
Yeah, should be another 10mm. Take a pry tool and pop the cover off. Well, let's see, is it also, it's another T20.
Pry this little auxiliary cover off. Stubborn.
Pops all off.
And then it's got some connectors on the back that you just disconnect.
Cigarette lighter. No tabs, just gotta
Just pull hard and they'll all come off.
yeah.
And one more little secret compartment in here. Ooh, that's good pry. There is one more down in here. It can be hard to reach sometimes. Should be a 10mm. Thought you were gonna do it first time. No issues.
Why did they make this hole so small? Gotcha.
Alright, and then I think we just gotta come to the back and pull this back cover off. Just stick your hand under one of the corners, get a finger under there and pull. It's just held on by tabs. It'll come apart at the bottom and in the middle on the top. So that's what it looks like. That's where it's clipped in. And now there are a couple more electrical things to disconnect.
Oh, there's no plug on mine.
Oh, nothing's plugged into that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
Just moved it off the clip.
I wonder what was plugged into that originally.
Actually, none of these are plugged in. It's kind of there.
Huh. So maybe that's for extra special features that we don't have in this car.
Yeah. Maybe there's like rear seat vents or some crap.
But anyway, there's 2 more 10 millimeters down here that we have to remove. All right, now it's loose and we should be able to get it out. And one last thing you have to remove, if you come up to the front under the wheel well, you'll see a little pop rivet in here. There's one on each side, so make sure you don't forget to get that off.
Center comes out.
There we go. All right, so we do have to pull this all the way up until you see the zip tie, so we will cut that off. There we go. So once we get that off, yeah, there we go. All right, now everything should be free. And just gently lift it up and pull back towards the back seat. It should come untucked. If anything isn't loose, make sure you didn't miss any screws anywhere. And yeah, the little metal brackets are going to come out so that they're not getting bound up on stuff. If you get it up a little bit more. Yeah, that's the key. All right, so you really got to crank that brake up as high as it goes, and it will just clear. German engineering at its finest.
Matter of a couple clicks.
Wanted to thank my Patreon subscribers because you guys are going to be able to watch this video first before anybody else and ad-free. Please consider giving a small donation to the channel by using Patreon. Here's the link. It's patreon.com/helpmediy. You'll get early access and some extra content and a little community where we can discuss the projects that we're working on. But mostly just show some support, and all the money will go back into the channel for more DIY videos.